everyone, welcome to Jianglong Sewing Machine Factory. This is Serena. Nice to meet you. And today I will show you our factory view. Yes, we have a production line with about 80 wheelchair staff members. This is our industrial sewing machine model. Our skilled worker will test the machine in this production line. For sure, every machine is working correctly. Yes, our machine quality is really good. If you have any machine needed, just feel free to contact us. Thank you.